Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the easiest and the best way how to make money with Google while you sleep. And I'm going to share with you two strategies that is a guaranteed that if you take them serious, if you put in the work and dedication, you can make from a few $100s per month to thousands of dollars every single month. And I'm talking tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the level of work and commitment that you put in. You can guarantee success and make a lot of money online. Now, if this sounds fascinating to you, go ahead, give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to see much more interesting make money videos coming out every single week like this one. And now, let me break this secret to you. Guys, the best strategy that you can use right now to make money online with Google is through Google AdSense. And I know some of you are gonna say, I've heard this a million times, I've seen a million videos on YouTube on how you can make money with Google AdSense. But guys, I cannot stress this enough. There are two strategies that I want to share with you. And the first strategy that I want to share is through creating your own blog. Now guys, creating a blog can lead to massive success in the long run. And if you're sharing or giving some kind of value to people, this can lead to a ton of viewers visiting your website every single month. And with having so much viewers coming to your website every single month, you can easily put on Google Ads on your website, and this can lead to a lot of money every single month. Now take a look at socialblade.com. If you notice this website, guys, this website has gotten a lot of views every single month because it is a very valuable website for potential content creators or just content creators in general, right? And if you have a look at this website, you will notice that there are various ads popping up on the websites, right? And you can easily make money by simply viewing or interacting with these ads. And that's how easy it is to make money with Google AdSense on your website. So now you see, guys, you can easily make a lot of money online by simply placing ads on your website, and based on the amount of views or impression these ads will get, and even more, if you receive some clicks, you can easily make a lot of money online. So you can easily make passive income while you sleep. And that's one of the best way how you can make money online with Google AdSense. So guys, the second way how you can make money online with Google AdSense is by simply creating a YouTube channel. So whether this is for entertainment or educational or whatever value that you would like to share with a potential audience, you can simply create a YouTube channel and build up a really good following, and you can easily monetize your YouTube channel. Once you reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can easily monetize your channel and start earning on your channel. No guys, I'm not gonna say this is gonna be an easy walk in the park or this is gonna be an overnight success. It can take you months and it can take you years. However, if you stick with it with hard work and determination, this can lead to you quitting your 9-to-5 job in a couple of years or a couple of months. Or if you're not looking to quit your 9-to-5 job but simply struggling to make some extra cash on the side, this could be a great source of income for you that could change your life enormously. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value and insight within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos like this coming out every single week. See you next time.